Good morning, everyone. Good evening as well. Now, in my English classes today, I am going to teach you class ninth the sound of music from the book Beehive. And first, I will tell you the theme, then summary, and then significant stages of the narration. Now, first, I will discuss theme. Now, this lesson is related. This lesson is having two parts. First part is about Elvin Gallini. She became deaf at the age of 11, and the second part is describing about the Indian musicians, basically Bismillah Khan. So first today I will do the first part. Now let's see the theme of the lesson. The theme of the story is very inspiring one. Why? Because here Evelyn has described the how to come out from the drawbacks of disabilities. This is the inspiring story for those people who are disabled and think that they are not able to do anything in their life. But after reading about Evelyn, the person is motivated by doing the things even though the person is deaf. Now, Evelyn's gradual loss of hearing from the age of 8 presented much difficulty in hearing, and she was keen interested in music. So while she was practicing for the music and all, at the age of 8 she started she had a difficulty in hearing the noise, the music. Later she became totally deaf but continued learning and playing various instruments. She used to play musical instruments also, and she scored highest marks in the history of the Royal Academy of Music. Even though she was deaf, but she had achieved this award and captured most of the top awards at the end of the 3-year course. She has done the 3-year course in music. She brought percussion to the forefront of the orchestra. She joined the orchestra, and later on, after some time, she had given the solo performance as well. Now, this lesson gives the message that with determination and hard work, even people with special need can reach to great heights of achievement. That means people who are disabled or people who are negative in their life can achieve more success in life if they are determined and able to do the things in a positive way. Now, what is the summary? Now, a summary of the lesson is this: that when Evelyn was a little girl, she came completely deaf at the age of 11. Now, her deafness was the result of gradual nerve damage. There was something nerve damage. That is why she was not able to hear. When Evelyn was 11, her mother noticed that she could not hear, and she when she was called upon to play piano. When her mother came to know that she is not hearing, she went to the doctor and various people for the checkups. She was declared deaf. But Evelyn wished to become a musician. She was inspired when she saw someone playing a xylophone. Now, though most of the teachers discouraged her, but Ron Forbes spotted her potential. Potential means ability. She spotted her ability, and she trained her for the music, as she can feel the vibrations of music. As times went by, she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. Following this, after this, she completed her 3-year course in music at the Academy, and she plays many instruments. Now we will see the significant stages in the narrative. First is 17 years old, Evelyn is traveling to attend the first day at the Royal Academy of Music. This is the first point on in significant stages. Attending this prestigious institution can be intimidating for everyone, but Evelyn is faced with an even bigger challenge. That means she was deaf. The challenge for her was that she was unable to hear anything. The reader is forced to wonder how someone who cannot hear is studying at this renowned college of music. Now, for the reader, it is a challenge that how the deaf person can come to this great college and can do the learning of music. Second is, when she was 11, it was discovered that she was losing her hearing. It is revealed that she was not born deaf. Okay, she was not born deaf, but gradually she has loosened her hearing, and that is why at the age of 11 she became deaf. But as a result of gradual nerve damage began to lose her hearing, this would have proved disastrous for any child, especially for someone interested in music. That means the person who is not able to hear, for that person it is very difficult to understand the music and hear the music, or to move to understand the tunes of the music. Now this is another challenge for her. Third is, Evelyn found that she could sense certain musical notes in different parts of her body. That means not only ears, though she was not able to hear from her ears, but she can feel the vibration in her different parts of her body. She did not give up despite discouragement from many teachers. Many people have discouraged her, now you are deaf, you are not able to do anything, but she has not noticed all these things and she kept on moving forward for the music. Under the guidance of famous percussionists, she discovered that she could feel different vibration notes through different parts of the body. Through the help of the vibrations, she can feel the music in her different parts of her body. She worked hard to achieve many milestones. She has worked so hard that she has received an award. Determined to succeed in music and lead to normal life, she pushed herself to achieve things that would be remarkable, that would be unbelievable for the people, normal people, to believe that though she is deaf, she is able to play music, to play different instruments so nicely. Next is, Evelyn has become an inspiration for deaf children. Not only for deaf children, but also for those people who are negative in their life, who are disabled in their life. They are also motivated by Evelyn's story. Despite the hectic schedule of playing at international concerts, she performed free for prisons and hospitals. She has performed various programs of music free of cost in prisons and hospitals. When deaf children look at her, they could see someone who would not give up in the face of adversity and worked hard to achieve her dreams. As she has determined herself, though she was deaf, she has determined herself to become a good instrument player in music. So we can also do it. Now, Evelyn toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra and was highly appreciated for her talent. The talent of playing music without hearing. Solo performances won her top awards as a multi-percussionist. She also learned French and mastered basic Japanese. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. In 1991, she has won the award. And a person with a social conscience, she gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She was a big motivation for the people who were not positive in their life.